You don't really want to be the very best. You just want to be a mediocre version of yourself.
You're the smartest person of our time.
No, you can speak in Pika. I understand it. Pika. You know, my grandson was telling me about this video game.
Beckham?
It's not that hard to collect them all. Pika. 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 Oh, I've been shot. Pikachu shot me. What is this? Is it supposed to have guns? Pikachu has turned to gang violence. Oh,
My power is
I
only
guess
used for Pokemon.
I'm dead. Oh! 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 You're gonna shoot me again, aren't you? Oh!
Rule of threes.
You have become too powerful, Sith Lord!
You ever seen Indiana Jones?
What? I'm from a galaxy far, far away, a long time ago. I don't get those references. Do you know about Tatooine?
Tattoos?
Tatooine? What about Coruscant?
Haven't heard any of those
No.
Pokemon before. I don't.
Another planet? Someone else? Anyone? Oh, thank you. Oh.
Or were they in the original 151?
What? I'm an old man. You so not. What language do you speak? I shall strike you down, Linda Belcher.
Oh, what's that?
Don't touch me.
Oh my God! Oh, I'm fan. Why didn't you tell me?
That's
Why do you have a sword?
My God, it's turned red.
What does that mean?
Is Linda Belcher a Sith Lord? It makes sense.
Wait, what?
It's in the line. Oh no!
You're gonna. Ow! Oh, yes. What is that?
I become a force ghost.
Ah!
All right. Come here, Meyers.
Roz from Monsters Inc., everyone.
I saw you earlier with that picture of the big ugly guy.
Oh, yeah, Java.
Jabba. Is
Yeah,
that
yeah.
his name?
Yeah.
I need to get dick down real bad. Oh, I saw his picture and I started sliming even more. You know what I mean?
Oh, I know what you mean. Roz, do you want a hot tip?
No, I'm good.
He likes women in gold bikinis.
I got one of those. I do. I got several.
Like a closet full of gold bikinis.
Well, you think I don't wear sexy underwear? You think I don't wear sexy underwear?
You know, I've never thought of it.
I'll try it on for you if you want.
It is late night, so...
Oh, I'm just even slimier.
I think your pulse is receding a little bit.
It moves around.
Did you get a free mug? I got it. This is my second mug.
Captain's log, stardate 1701.1. I seem to be transported back to 1990s. Hello, are you? Hello? In a boy band? Yes! I am in a boy band and I am not from the future.
Oh, nice to meet you. I'm in just the best girl band there ever was.
Why, you're a legend even in my time.
Okay.
Sorry, I shouldn't say that. In my life, you were a legend. I listen to your music every day. Beautiful goddess.
Oh, Thank you. Thank you so much. I mean, I've worked really hard to get here. It's not been an easy journey.
You know, in my time, women don't have to just wear short skirts on stage.
Wait, I wear them because I want.
They want to too. They're just awkwardly changing light bulbs underneath a console, and their bottom is sticking up. And
That sounds troublesome. I would have a server for that.
oh, we don't use servers anymore. You see, we've transcended past the need for such lowly positions. We take care of ourselves. In my world, that's definitely in the 1990s.
Oh, I like that. Some self-care.
One could say.
Nice. You run like a spa with your boy band, I guess.
One could, I guess, say. You know, my doctor's always telling me I need to take a break.
You sound very mysterious. You know, in my group,
Seth
I'm
Meyers,
mysterious.
everyone.
Thank you.
In lieu of an interview, I will just play the one that we did several years ago.
Well, yes, they were a little worried.